Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I almost starts with the evening news. So reports where they reach me now. Let me the fact say Arsenal won't renew Thomas Partey contract. So cut off side carry the story, Team Talk carry the story. Now Arsenal, so many people carry this particular story. So now this evening we'll just hear the update. So by tomorrow we will see what in Charles Watts will talk tomorrow. And when I hear him, really I was surprised because I've been thinking maybe that case, the pending case where Thomas Partey gets, whether I go make Arsenal not really look inside the gets, but now they say they only take action because when you look how the story was reported, they say Arsenal want to extend Thomas Partey's contract by 1 year and have held talks with Thomas Partey's representatives. Partey is open to a contract extension, however, the rush because Barca and Juventus still get interest for where in day. So you want to look which particular deal go make a whole lot of sense for where in day. Because look how Team Talk reported the story. Arsenal make incredible U-turn on £45 million Stars future because of one key reason. The reason we say Thomas Partey is doing very, very well for this season. Now Arsenal they proactive. Partey now going to look at all the options we did for in front because we just say Arsenal won't give him 1 year, back at the plan more than 1 year, Juve self the plan more than 1 year. And remember, say if we sell him, it's going to be going as a free. We don't even sell him because it's going to be leaving as a free agent. And based on say he don't really get the type of injuries when they get before for this season, that's why Arsenal the optimistic say hopefully next season is going to also be better. So if now you be Thomas Partey, what you go do? She go stay Arsenal 1 more year, and we go leave go join Juventus and back away. Appreciate you to stay there. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now Martin Cunha can they send warning to Arsenal over this Cunha, because he say no really like what Cunha do because Cunha don't show the whole world now say he no fit control his own emotions because for that match you can give a red card the match against Bournemouth this score go if you see the goal where this guy score screamer outside box 18 they say the goal be like goal Ronaldo they score from outside box boom shot so Martin Cunha was full of praises and condemnation for Matheus Cunha after he scored a wonder goal and was showed a red card in the FA Cup. So it's just quite unfortunate because when you read the entirety of the report, he said they gave Cunha too much space and didn't do what they usually do, just like Cristiano Ronaldo. That is top level, absolutely top drawer finish. I watched the video it did very, very interesting. Now, he said, suddenly we are seeing the ugly side of Cunha after him with Kekes entered the encounter. He kicked the guy with the right hand, left hand, a leg, then come head boots him again. So that's in like 3 red cards. That's also supposed to give my guy. By the end of the day, Baba on the advice to make us stand very, very careful. Even when they give the guy come from the stadium, he can't fight the people with the whole land. Well, it should be like this thing I talk in the morning. Say because this guy gets hot temper to make us know what they're going to do because Kion can say, see. This guy is supposed to, like you said the whole lot, I don't want to delve into everything we talk about. I already said in the morning, somebody in the comment section want to say, if Ateta could manage Granit Xhaka, we will say himself, get hot temper, then he can be able to manage this one. But the thing is, okay, see now, yes, they don't give the guy 4-match ban. So he get hot temper. I mean, try to see how he will take manage him. Now, Ian Wright's going to name one player where Mikel Arteta need to convince to join Arsenal. And that one player is no other than Alexander Isak. Because Ian can believe say if Arteta follow and talk, say the boy feel listen, but I just want to say no be our hand the day, because now projects. We'll finish the season first before we talk where the guy go join. Finish the season, get the Champions League in the bag, and hope that Newcastle does not achieve Champions League football. Then all things being equal, we can get the player because we'll just watch that. Now away from that, so Kai Havertz. We can see Kai Havertz was spotted in a knee brace with crutches. So they said the guy they recover very, very well. We see in leg, the guy wear brace. So wish him all the best. as he continues his rehabilitation in this injury way he already gets. Now, Paul Merson come make social media catch fire. When they ask him of the best player we don't play for the EPL, surprisingly, Paul Merson named Salah as the best player we the EPL don't ever see. You get people when they ask, where you can't keep Henry? What is Salah don't achieve? What is Salah really win for his career? Where you go put down? Is it because say Champions League once? Is that why? Yes. So many people when they argue, those who say you watch Henry, say say Henry, that year Henry do this, Henry do that, but this thing now personal decision, gets now personal choice. So for him, now Salah in the sea, you get for you feel they see Henry. So maybe people don't go they vex too much of Paul Merson because they say Paul Merson names Mohamed Salah as greatest Premier League player. You get. Then the Englishman was full of praise, and one of the reasons why Paul Merson giving say if Salah continues the way they play this season is going to win the Ballon d'Or. You get. So me, I feel shocked and say, men don't be surprised say they feel still sell the as in the logo give Salah because Henry could have won it, but they still can't give another person. Person will be say in score more than, perform more than for that season. They still give another person. So I think it happen well because Messi said Salah is the best player in the Premier League I've ever seen as he changes games on a consistent basis. No one has ever done that like him. Thierry Henry is the only player I've seen playing in the Premier League who looks like a 20-year-old playing in an under-21 league. I don't get that to Salah, but if Liverpool win the Champions League, he will get the Ballon d'Or. Okay, that's your own opinion. Now, Arsenal have been told that they have a player who has been playing with an injury for ages. That there's something not quite right. So Tony Cascarino, when they talk, say it's sure for him, say Declan Rice they play with injury. Based on the way Rice they play for Arsenal, say they quite confident. Say Rice they play with injury. What's in his see? What's in the things so informal to make that decision? To feel say truly Rice they play with injury. My dear Arsenal lovers, I don't really know. You get. Maybe they feel say Rice no track back enough, they go forward enough. Like I don't see the evidence when you see, so I really know what in they talk about. Now away from that, so 90 minutes when they look at Gabriel Martinelli deal, when they say Arsenal will sell Gabriel Martinelli on one condition. You get say as long as they get a very good deal and somebody comes in and pays money, better money for Martinelli head, say they go sell him because Arsenal would consider selling Gabriel Martinelli if they received an offer deemed to be in excess of his market value, a report has claimed. 23-year-old Martinelli and fellow winger Trossard have been touted as players Arsenal could sell or axe this summer in a bid to raise money for other reinforcements. Yes. But at the end of the reports, they don't really talk how much with the valuation of Martinelli, like how much you really think, say Martinelli go for. If they won't put them for the market, can Martinelli command 80 million? Can he command 70 million? These are some of the questions because most Arsenal players don't command that type of huge value, you get, which is very, very sad. If they won't price our player, they will price anyhow amount. Now, away from that, so Arsenal, from what we hear for the match we will play against PSV for the Champions League, they say Arsenal will wear unusual kit combination for the PSV clash. Combination we'll never see before, like wearing the black top and wearing white shorts. So they say Arsenal are set to wear an unusual kit combination for the Champions League last 16 first leg match against PSV in Eindhoven on Tuesday. Now, when you read the entirety of the report, they say Arsenal fixtures report that Arsenal will be playing in their black shirts for the upcoming trip to Eindhoven on Tuesday, but the team won't be wearing the black shorts that usually accompanies the away shirts. Instead, Arsenal will play white shorts. Why? Because PSV they wear black shorts. So whichever will come wear black shorts, will really make sense. So that's why they won't change our shirt. But I thought, why they don't come wear the red and white? At least that one for make a whole lot of sense. But well, it is what it is. All right, let's bring the message from one of our sponsors, Mobile Wealth Associates and Co Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works, mechanical and fabrication services, and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 806464 2234. And they're located at number 7, Kennywood Road, Oreas, the opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, do reach out to them. Now, the biggest news of the night, that be the fact say cut off side, the metro, like so many people don't talk about this thing. Team talk say Arsenal they set to renew Thomas Partey contract. In fact, I think Team talk say Arsenal did a U-turn, incredible U-turn on Thomas Partey's future because then she say the guy this season no really gets that much injury and he still has a lot to offer because we dey hope say next season go be like this season for where Thomas Partey dey. Same put out good performances and he no get injury. He gets so na so life dey be. We dey hope say next season go good like this. Next season now we just shock you but we pray so we no see any injury for where Thomas Partey dey and the Crown Prosecution Services no go reopen in case wey they just let bygone be bygone. All right, my dear, so about 65 things for us to call the show and end. So like come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night and like your mouth. All right, guys. Now bye bye. Yeah.